I don't even know bakit nila inaalaw yun or was it even allowed and legal in the first place because my school has what they called the dark room. At first, it was just really a rumor na may dark room daw sa school namin and doon nilalak yung mga students na malaki ang offense. Never pa rin kasi talaga namin nakitang binuksan yung pintong yon. And ang sabi, may mga multo or creepy creatures daw sa loob.
I'm telling you, nung huli kaming dumaan dyan, may naririnig kaming umiiyak. Hala, totoo ba? Oo, promise. Sabi rin ni Kuya, totoo nga talaga yun.
And syempre nung una hindi naman talaga ako naniwala nun. But then, there was a time na nalista ako dahil nakikipag-usap ako sa katabi ko or something. Well, feeling ko nga hindi naman talaga malakas boses ko nun. And by the time na natapos yung classes namin, pinapila kami ng teacher namin sa labas ng room at walang awa niyang sinabing, dahil maiingay kayo, ipupunta ko kayo sa dark room.